Hey everyone, welcome back to GetAssist.net, where I make videos about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. Today's video is going to be about Instagram, and I will show you how you can add multiple accounts on Instagram and how you can quickly switch between them. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to log into your first Instagram account, and now to add multiple accounts, you have to press the profile icon, long press it, and then you will see the add account button. Or you can press the profile icon, then go to the menu icon, press settings, and here at the bottom you will see the option add account, using which you can add multiple accounts on Instagram. So press login to existing account, and now here you have to simply enter the login details for your another Instagram account and then press login. So that's how you can add up to 5 Instagram accounts using the Instagram app. And now if you want to switch between them, you have to long press the profile icon and you will see all the accounts. You can select the one you want to log into. So as you can see, I have switched my Instagram account. Alright, you can go back to the previous one by pressing the profile icon, and as you can see, I have switched again. So that's how you can add multiple accounts. And if you want to log out of any of these, you can go to settings, and here you will get the option log out of current account or log out of all accounts. So that's how you can log out of your multiple accounts on Instagram. So yeah, that was all for this video. For any doubts or queries, you can reach out to the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.